Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about two very popular types of flooring, vinyl flooring and laminate flooring. They are both budget friendly, they both look amazing, but they do have key differences and similarities that can make it or break it for your home. Hey guys, my name is Albert and I am the owner of Titan Flooring here in Mississauga. And today we're going to have a little showdown between laminate flooring versus vinyl flooring and go through several categories from water resistance, material composition, comfort underfoot, installation, and durability. We're gonna go through each category to see which type of flooring is better for your home. Okay, so first up is water resistance. Water is flooring's public enemy number one. If you ask me, 90% of flooring damages are based on water. Okay, whether it be from moisture changes, spills, leaks, floods, it's always somehow related to water. First up is vinyl flooring. Vinyl flooring is made up of stone plastic composite or wood plastic composite, SPC and WPC for short. And what we all know about plastic is that plastic is waterproof, which is what gives vinyl flooring its waterproof characteristics. It essentially repels all water, it doesn't absorb any, and so that's why it can be in basements, washrooms, kitchens, and anywhere that you would have a lot of changes in moisture. This wouldn't warp, swell, or do anything in the presence of water. Now, there is laminate flooring, and laminate flooring is made up of wood material, essentially just mushed up wood compressed at very high pressures to give you this solid core. And unfortunately, laminate is not waterproof. It is water resistant because of the coatings it has on top. If the floor itself was to sit in water over time or allow for water to seep through the cracks into the core, it would absorb it, swell, and basically just become damaged. However, laminate flooring has had some advancements in the recent years. They've created waterproof versions of them. And I do the exclamation marks is because they're still not 100% waterproof. The wood center, the wood mulch, is treated with a wood water repellent, and that essentially increases its lifetime and longevity in the presence of water. Laminate flooring is still good for basements, condos, kitchens, maybe not washrooms, but you do have to keep in mind this is not 100% waterproof, unlike vinyl. And the second category is material composition. Like I said before, vinyl flooring is made up of plastic, or the fancy name PVC, polyvinyl chloride. And that's basically just a fancy name for plastic that is widely used in flooring materials such as vinyl or anything that is exposed to a lot of moisture. Now the PVC part is actually just the core of the material. You can't see it here, and I'll give a little bit more of a close-up, but there are multiple layers associated with vinyl flooring. It still has the wear layer, the color layer, and the underpad layer as well. Now, laminate is made up of a different material called high-density fiberboard. What that is just a wood-like substance compressed so hard that it forms this dense core that laminate is made out of. And on top of it is its photographic layer, which gives it its wood or stone-like look. Next up is comfort level. Vinyl flooring, because it's made out of stone, it is rock solid. And with that, it does feel harder and colder to the touch as compared to laminate flooring, but it is still much more comfortable to walk on than tile. Now laminate, on the other hand, is still very rigid, very strong, but it is softer to the feel and touch because it's made of wood materials. And additionally, it can be made even more comfortable with an underlayment. Next up is installation. This is where vinyl flooring has the upper hand with more options, from peel and stick, glue downs, and click locks. And that is why vinyl flooring is great for DIYers. But for laminate flooring only has that one installation method for the click lock, which still is great for DIYing, but you are limited to one option, which makes it a floating floor only. Next up, we'll talk about their durability. Vinyl flooring is super durable with its rock solid plastic core, its waterproofness, its very thick wear layers, which inevitably just is great for high traffic areas. And because it comes in different installation methods such as glue down and peel and stick, they are really great for industrial purposes as well. Laminate, on the other hand, is still very durable with its wear layer, just like vinyl has. Its high density fiberboard core, which still makes it very, very rigid and strong, but it is a softer material, which compared to vinyl is more susceptible to dents and scratches over time. I would say laminate flooring is more for moderate traffic areas. And though these two types of floorings have their differences, they also have their similarities, such as their appearance. They are both trying to mimic the natural look of wood and stone. Second is their maintenance. Because they're so durable, a light sweeper mop is all that it needs to keep them looking fresh and clean for a very, very long time. And lastly, it's their affordability. Vinyl and laminate are essentially the budget-friendly options of the flooring world. So which one should you choose? I say go for vinyl flooring if you plan on using it in a very wet area from the kitchen to the basement and washrooms. But if you prefer a more cozy feel, then go for laminate flooring because it's made out of wood-like materials and will provide you that cozier feel on your foot. Now, both flooring options give great value, and it all boils down to your personal preferences, the room usage, and your specific needs at the end of the day.